Hello everyone, welcome to new tutorial of Parga. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to use gallery picker and texture to create cloth designer or configurator. As in the video, first part of video we will create normal t-shirt configurator where design from gallery can be uploaded and color of t-shirt can be changed when front camera is active. Then on rear camera, we will be working on image target and gallery texture as in the video. Let's start by creating new file in Spark. Now we will be creating asset we require for our project. At first we will need 3D model of t-shirt. Here I'll be using this model from Sketchfab. You can use according to your requirement. Next go to import from computer and import t-shirt file you have downloaded. Next we will add gallery texture to our project. It helps us to pick images from phone gallery or file explorer. But before adding it, as it only support Instagram, so go to project, edit properties and uncheck Facebook from there and press done. Next go to add asset and select gallery texture from there. After adding it, you can see add media option here, through which we will be able to add image from external source. Now add canvas to the scene. Go to add object and select canvas. Now add rectangle. Name it as background. Go to size and fill width, fill height. Now we will add background to it. For this, go to material and create new material and rename it. Now you can use any texture. I have already prepared for mine. Select it and resize it. Now add 3D model of shot to the scene. You can edit inside canvas. Simply drag it. It's way too big, so resize it. Go to scale and change value. Right click. You can make it as your requirement. Now we will add plain inside t-shirt where user can upload their design. Go to t-shirt object. Simply add plane, position it. Well, now we will add material to it. Go to material and create new. Rename it as design. Now select texture as gallery texture. Now you can test it. Go to add media and select any design. Here you can see we are able to insert design from computer. Now let's change color of t-shirt. For this, go to view and show hide patch editor. Now create a patch from t-shirt object. Create object tab. Then add counter to it. Counter is where it calculate number of object tab. It can calculate both increase and decrease value. Now add picker, option picker. Now we can select different option from option picker. Simply go to color and here you can add different colors as your requirement. Just random. Then select material from shirt and create a patch from texture. Let's test it. Go to simulator. Now when we press here you can see color is changing. Now in gallery texture there is holding texture option. Simply go and check it. Where texture will remain initially, so we will add your design here. After that you can see add your design here texture here. That will be easier for other to understand what to do with this texture. Now let's test it. Now we will add native UI in our project. For that, it will help us to add slider or other option to our project. Go to project, edit properties, and go to capabilities. Then select plus and type native UI control. Then insert it. Now go to native UI control and select slider and press it down. You too can add touch gesture to your project as your requirement. For that, go to project, edit properties, capabilities, and inside touch gesture. You can choose any. We'll be using pinch gesture for scaling our design. Check pinch gesture and press down. Next, we'll use slider patch to position this design and use screen pins to scale it. To add patches, simply type screen pins. Now we'll add pack. It pack multiple scalar or vector inputs into a larger vector. Simply add patch. Connect all. And now go to design plane and choose scale. Select it. Now if you test it in your mobile device, you will be able to scale it by pinching in screen. Now we'll add slider UI. For that, simple type slider UI and press visible. Now we'll use slider for positioning design. So drag transition. Now set initial and final position of design. Simply copy and paste initial position. Copy and paste final position. And add patch from position. And add it there. You will be able to see slider UI in your device. Now you can add animated instruction using animation sequence if you like. Go to add asset and select animation sequence. Rename it as animation instruction. Select texture. Here I have used two textures. Add a plane. Resize it. Create new material. Name it as instruction. Then select animation instruction. Change FPS to 1. Now we will make it visible when user pauses design or this plane. Go to this plane. Name it as and create a patch object tab. Now add loop animation. Now add frame transaction. Here we have two frames only. Now go to animation instruction and select current frame. Connect it. Go to then and rename it as select patch from visible. Now let's test it. Here we have added most of the features. If you like to add more, you can add. Now select all and name it as front. Now before adding fixed image target, go to canvas and select enable for and remove check from back camera. Now add fixed target tracker. Go to texture and add image target. You can use any, but follow image target rules of Spark. Now add plane, scale it. Now go to target tracker and rename it as target plane. Create a material. Name it as target and choose gallery texture. After that, you will be able to see previous texture. Now let's test by adding design. Now we'll use screen prints here to scale it. So we have to do like previous. Add tag, connect all, and select target plane and select scale. You can test it in your device. If you are using Android device to upload your texture, the main problem there it is with PNG image, as in mobile PNG image will not go transparent. For that condition, just go to change material blend mode to either add or screen. Design and change blend mode to either add or screen. Similarly, you can target plane and change the blend mode to add or screen. Now we are at the end of our tutorial. If you like my content, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.